All right, we've got some Monday birthdays for you, and we begin in Riverton with Ivy McDonald celebrating in style birthday number 5. This says happy birthday from the whole family. Happy birthday, Ivy.
Isaac Kester is turning 6 years old this year. Little Spider-Man fan there in Chanute, Kansas.
We've got Levi Hutto turning 7 in Crestline. Great photo there, Levi. Happy birthday.
And let's see, Gentry Schaefer celebrating birthday number 9 in Altamont, Kansas. I understand that Gentry is a farmer and a great big brother.
We've also got Oakley Bogle celebrating birthday number 9 in Bartlett, Kansas. Oakley, a very happy birthday to you.
In Pittsburgh, Boston Norton celebrating birthday number 9 as well. Happy birthday, love, Mom, Dad, and Anthony.
And we've got Noah Gillard celebrating birthday number 12. And in case you could not tell from this photo, he loves to fish. Happy birthday, Noah.
Love to catch things like that, too. All right, Claire Smith is 15 years old this year. Pretty in her dress there in Joplin. And, oh my goodness, I didn't even recognize her in that picture. Claire is our very own production videographer, James Mass' daughter. Wow, she is growing up.
Certainly,
she was a little tight.
So.
Little tight.
Adam Wright turning 16 in Fort Scott. This comes with love from Mom and Chris. And also, you know what? Love for me as well. Happy birthday, Adam.
That's right, Chris. And Sam Cooper is celebrating birthday number 58 in Carthage, one of our many 4-state heroes. That's him on the right.
We've got Gary Lovell in Crestline celebrating birthday number 76. Gary, happy birthday.
In Croburg, Kansas, Josephine Davis is celebrating birthday number 82 this year. That's a great one, Josephine.
And we've got Justin and Jennifer Coberly celebrating their 23rd wedding anniversary in Columbus. Happy anniversary.
Oh, the anniversaries go on. Celebrating 63 years of wedded bliss, we have Corky and Gianna Zom. Wow. And they are in Columbus as well.
And
Party's in the bus.
It is, because we've also got Wayne and Juanita Dopkins celebrating an anniversary in the bus. Happy anniversary, Wayne and Juanita.
All right. And Heather Peterman is celebrating a birthday with her in Columbus. There she is pictured with her husband, Andy, and her new son. What a wonderful present this year. His name is Isaiah.
And then there's this guy. He's in charge of the sports ball programming here at KOAM. This is our sports director, Jacob Leonard. Happy birthday. Everything I know about sports, I have learned from this man.
All right. All right, our birthday list goes on. Kylie Freeman turning 27 years old this year in Columbus. Sherry White celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. And I have a note here. Happy birthday from the Crestline community.
All right. We've
there
got
you go.
Mike and Hillary Evans celebrating an anniversary in Columbus. It's their 17th. Happy anniversary, Mike and Hillary. We've also got Michael Reed celebrating a birthday in Chetopa. Sherry Jones in Galena celebrating as well.
All right, and let's see, I think we might have missed John and Mary Dugan are celebrating their 58th anniversary. And then we have Tim and Brenda Barrett in Columbus. Happy anniversary to you.
All right, and of course, we love seeing this list be this long, and you can make sure that you can help us make it long by listening to what Tanya has to say. Not me, because I just lost everything that was in my head.
Yeah, that's right. All you have to do is email us your birthdays. That's the fastest way to do it. You could always drop them by during our business hours or send them through the USPS. But if you email them, send them to either of these two addresses. Do not forget the S. Birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com. Give us a day or two in advance and we can make them up real pretty for you.
Absolutely. And of course, if you're celebrating a birthday, you might want to take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You can do that at KOAMNewsNow.com. You get great deals from local businesses and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just go over to KOAMNewsNow.com, sign up for the Birthday Club today. All right, so